Hey guys, just here in Coolgardie, Western Australia, and there's some beautiful parrots I've never seen before. Check these out. Man, they are beautiful. I've never seen them before. I'm not sure what type they are, but we don't get them in the top end or in Victoria. We've had a bit of rain overnight, so yeah, they're getting a bit of a sip. Probably a welcome relief after it's been pretty hot here the last all summer really, but I've only been here a week or so and it's been pretty hot and it's been a nice cool change and a fair bit of rain. Magnificent. Doesn't matter where you go in this beautiful sunburnt country, you always seem to find some sort of magnificent wildlife. Good on you guys.